Hi everybody, it's the Ultimate Coupon Lady here, and I am showing you how to make this easy keto skillet pepperoni pizza. Stay tuned. Alright guys, hi, super quick and easy skillet pizza. Trying to make this short and simple. Basically what I have is some sausage that I lined around the skillet. Sorry, my messy stove. And then I just sprinkled it with some Italian style cheese, which is right here. Italian style cheese, probably about a half a cup. And then I have some vegetables that I sauteed with some sausage. So it's vegetables, I have onion, green pepper, mushrooms, and olives, and then I have some sausage. So I sauteed that all together. I just sprinkled some Italian seasoning on here, and then I'm just going to top it with some mozzarella cheese. You can put as much or as little as you want. So let me just put that in there. Just try to make this a short and quick video. I watched several skillet pizza videos, and I'm just adapting what I saw from each video. And now you just sprinkle the toppings over. I'm going to do it with my hand. Hopefully they're cooled off by now. Nope, let me do it with a spoon. Hopefully I can do this without. Alright, so just spoon those on there, and then I'll spread them out. Like I said, my kitchen is kind of messy. Oops. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, so pardon me. Okay, so I'm just going to spread those out. And then the toppings are basically cooked. I'll probably put another little bit of cheese on top of this, and then I'll show you the finished product. And you can use whatever toppings you want. You can use, I was going to put tomatoes in this, but I didn't want it to be too watery. And then I would usually put the sauce on with it. But I'm just going to have the sauce on the side so that I can dip this in. So now you see how the edges of the pizza are starting to get brown? So that's when you know it's basically done, and your toppings are basically done. All I'm doing is putting them in there so maybe they could stick a little bit to the cheese. And I have my fire on medium, on my stove on medium high, and I like a lot of toppings, so bear with me here. Put them to the edge. About that. And I probably should have put the cheese around here a little bit more so it can form into a crust. Yeah, so I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so here I added all of the toppings, and then I added a little more cheese on top. So I'm just going to let this cheese melt a little bit, and then I'll show it to you after I take it off the plate. Well, actually, let's see, it'll lift the sides up a little bit. Yeah, so, oops, you can see that. See how the sides are lifting up a little bit? There we go. And that whole thing is going to lift up as one big pizza. So I'll show that to you in a second. Alright, here's my pizza on the plate. If you notice, it's in, there's my pizza cutter. It's in one big piece. If I lift that up, it'll be one big giant piece. So, let me see if I can get it cut. Sorry, it's all over the place. I have a, one of those things where you can set the camera down or set your phone down. But, I don't know where it is right now. I got it out of my van. And I forgot to set it aside. So, let me just cut this. And I have a lot of toppings on mine, like I said. Alright, I just cut through. And let's see if it will pick up like pizza. Ooh, it's still hot. So if you let it cool, then of course the crust will get a little bit more firm. And I think I should have put another cheese layer, but that's, ooh, hot, hot, hot. All right. So there you have it. It's pizza. If I wasn't looking such a hot mess, I'd let you guys see me eating it, but wow. That's really good. Hold on. Okay, guys, I just wanted you guys to see the pizza. All right, and I just put a little bit of sauce on it. It's kind of leaning because I have a lot of toppings. If you notice, there's a ton of toppings on it. Toppings are about 1 inch thick. So oh, that is really good. And I don't know if you can see. Basically a crust. I'm sorry. Sorry. Really good. There should have put some more salt and garlic on it. I sprinkled a little garlic too, I forgot to tell you. So if I can show you the crust without it falling. Here we go. So you see the crust there, made of the cheese and pepperoni. And it's basically holding together just like if you had thin crust pizza. And that's really heavy because I put a lot of sausage and toppings on it. I had this big old bowl. Big giant bowl full of toppings that I put on it. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you, you know, how it stays together like a pizza. You're not gonna miss the bread. Let me take a bite off the edge of the crust. Oh, I'm sorry. I just wanted you to hear how crispy it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. And thank you all for watching this video. Bon appetit. I'm sorry. And the sauce that I'm using, 1 second. So I just do this. And you can also just, if you wanted to, you could just put it in a little bowl and then dip the pizza in. It's just like a pizza, like a regular pizza. And the crust is holding up. So yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more keto and low carb videos. I'm going to try to get videos up at least once or twice a week, and then I may even start doing daily videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great keto day. Bye.